Visiting a Houston suburban park, Katy, Texas, and we're studying a Chinese Lacebark Elm, which should be noted, in some parts of the southern U.S. it can be or may be invasive, where it self-seeds and grows in, beyond where it's planted. Its key feature is the exfoliating bark, which it's doing right now. It grows quite quickly. So this tree is, I'm gonna guess it's been planted for a dozen years or so. Maybe a little more, maybe 15 years. It's quite almost shocking when it exfoliates. It's almost, looks like it's sick, but it's quite beautiful. So that will become darker. You can see it's getting, this fell off a little earlier. That's like a greenish. So that's just its strategy for growing, is to shed the bark, whereas other trees, the bark has other configurations. And it's fine textured compound leaf. I believe the fall color is a yellowish. So in the right place, it can be quite a beautiful addition. It will become large. It's not the largest of the shade trees in Texas, but it can still become quite large. The live oak will become wider generally. You can see it over here. That's already quite, I would say that's wider than it is tall already. Where, let's say, like a loblolly pine is taller than it is wide. So that's the Chinese Lacebark Elm.